How does the motor cortex control our motor pathways? Imagine your brain as a busy control tower, sending signals to move your muscles with perfect timing. That's exactly what the motor cortex does. It's located in the front part of your brain's frontal lobe, just before the central groove. This area is responsible for planning, starting, and coordinating voluntary movements. It's like the brain's command center for movement. The motor cortex has three main parts. The first is the primary motor cortex, which is the main hub for sending signals to your muscles. It's situated on the precentral gyrus, a ridge in the brain's outer layer. This area contains special nerve cells called pyramidal neurons, including large beta cells. These neurons generate electrical impulses that travel down to main pathways. One is the corticospinal tract, which carries signals from the brain down the spinal cord to control movements of your arms, legs, and torso. The other is the corticospinal tract, which sends signals to the brainstem to control muscles in your face, head, and neck. The primary motor cortex is organized in a way that different parts of it control different body parts. This is called somatotopic organization. For example, larger areas are dedicated to fine motor skills like moving your fingers or facial muscles. This organization helps your brain precisely control complex movements. Next is the premotor cortex, located just in front of the primary motor cortex. This part helps plan and prepare movements before they happen. It decides what kind of movement you need to do based on sensory information. It also works with other parts of the brain like the cerebellum to coordinate smooth, accurate actions. The premotor cortex contains neurons that help select the right movement in response to what you see or feel. The third part is the supplementary motor area, found on the inner side of the frontal lobe. It helps organize sequences of movements, especially those involving both sides of your body. For example, when you tie your shoelaces or play the piano, this area helps coordinate those actions. It also plays a role in learning new motor skills and adjusting movements based on feedback from your senses. All these parts work together to send signals through the corticospinal and corticospinal tracts. These pathways carry the commands from your brain to your spinal cord and brainstem, which then activate the appropriate muscles. The motor cortex doesn't control individual muscles directly. Instead, it sends combined signals that coordinate groups of muscles to produce smooth, purposeful movements. In short, the motor cortex acts like a master conductor, generating signals that travel through specific pathways to your muscles. It plans, initiates, and fine-tunes movements, allowing you to perform everything from picking up a cup to dancing. This system is essential for voluntary movement, learning new motor skills, and adapting to changes in your environment.